We are making Sichuan lamb shanks today. So we're gonna get this lamb searing. While this is searing, we'll toast some spices.
All right.
I think it's super important to toast your spices. It really opens up the flavor.
Okay.
I have a Sichuan peppercorn. This is a fundamental ingredient to this dish. Exactly.
Okay.
So there's actually multiple kinds. This is the green version. I like the green one for braising. You can put it on your tongue. It'll make your tongue quite numb.
Really?
Yeah, a little bit. I'll have one with you, so you're not in here alone.
Oh, well, there it is. I've never toasted spices before. I've used spices, but this is a new technique I'm learning today. Toasting these spices will give us a kick of flavor in our meal.
So we have Shaoxing here, which is a Chinese cooking wine.
Okay.
You always want to use something alcoholic so you can deglaze the pan. So we have some dry Thai chilies. We can just dump all that in. All of it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So that one is our doubanjiang, which is a fermented chili paste. So we'll just dump that in. And then the last thing is some sesame oil. So you can smell it. It has that nice nutty flavor. All right, so we're gonna strain the broth now. Chelsea, just hold this, and then Tyrone, you're gonna be squeezing out that flavorful liquid.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, oh dear
damn.
God. All right, then you're just gonna press that. All right, so we're just gonna get the lamb in here now. Pop those in, and then we're gonna braise it for about 3 hours, just until it's fall off the bone tender. So this broth will be what actually seasons the lamb. As you notice, when I seared the lamb, I didn't add any seasoning, any salt or pepper. This will actually add everything we need. We'll just get this in the oven. So whenever you're using a wok, you want to keep everything moving. Because the whole purpose of this is essentially smoking the vegetable without actually burning it. And you can see all this smoke being generated. It's all flavor.
Wow.
The secret to using the wok is all in the wrist. You actually never lift it. A lot of people, when they use a wok, they try and lift it and then toss, like a pan, but it's way too heavy for that. So you actually have to rest it on the bottom and then just flip and toss. All right, so it's been 3 hours. The lamb should be done. Beautifully tender.
Wow.
So we'll just get these noodles in the bowl. Right, we'll just get some broth in there. We'll get some of this nice veg. And then we'll put our nice tender lamb shanks.
That looks so good.
And we'll just get some of these mushrooms.
It looks beautiful.
All right, and then we just have a little bit of sesame seeds for garnish. All right, guys, I'm sure you're hungry. Let's go have a taste.
Let's do it.
Okay.